All right, well, the table saw I want to use is being occupied, so we will work on cutting board number 3. Um, this one's going to have some challenges. I screwed up on the glue up. I need to build myself a damn glue up rails so I can get things freaking flat, but I don't know, it's not flat. Um, I am going to just run it. We're going to go over to the drum sander, just clean it up because it's pretty rough. We're not going to try to flatten it on the drum. We're just going to clean it up and then go from there. So I'll let you watch that, stick around for that. See ya. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. A little bit there, but we can hand sand that out. But yeah, really need table saw, but it's being occupied, so stick around so you can see. All right, well, we got this set up. That's how I'm gonna do it. I got it all marked up so I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go find some clamps and then I'll bring you in when we glue. Turn this camera around. And hang on. All right. That one is glued up. And I guess I'm gonna come over here and scrape this one. Maybe. Let's see. Let me go rinse this off. I'll be right back. On both sides. And then run it through the drum sander. Same with this one. Square it up, and then run it through the drum sander. So that's what we'll do next. All right, I made this one 10 and a half by 14.5. This one is ready to round over the edges and sand and finish. All right, see you on the next one. Okay, I got the router set up, the 1/4-inch round bit. We're gonna route over the edges, that's all we're gonna do. So I'll try to give you a good shot. So. All right, that's it. Pretty simple little board. That one's ready for sanding. Well, they're both ready for sanding. So actually, they're all these are ready for sanding. So, am I in the mood to sand? I don't know. We'll see. I'll put the router away and we'll see. See ya. All right, we are ready to sand this one, and this one. I'm gonna start on this one. This is how I do it: 80, 120, 240, 320. Yeah. So I'm gonna set you up and let you watch, and it's just sanding, and just let me watch, and yeah, there we go.